Hey everybody, welcome into Rock Painting 101, where we give you fun, new rock painting ideas that anybody can create. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you do, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get painting.
So we're going to do kind of like a cheater and neon style pumpkin. So first we're going to take a darker shade of paint pen and we're going to put a pumpkin onto our rock. Now as we lay this down, we're going to come back with a damp Q-tip right over the top just to get it a little bit wet. I'm going to come right back over with my paint pen and do that a couple of times. We kind of just want to leave that almost glowing look behind where we're actually going to put our pumpkin. So you want most of the paint missing and you leave behind kind of this washed out or glow when our pumpkin's done. So we've got our center section of our pumpkin and we're going to do some outer edges as well. Now you can make your pumpkin shape whatever fits best on your rock. This is a super simple pumpkin to create. So we're just going to repeat the same process with these outside edges. And as you see, some of that paint will build up on your Q-tip. Now we're going to do the exact same thing to create the stem at the top of our stone. So again, lay down your stem design and go back over with your damp Q-tip. You're going to have to get a new Q-tip for this, so you'll have to kind of build up that grain just like we did with the orange. Once that layer has dried, you're going to go right back over with the same color of paint pen you had, the darker color of paint pen. This is going to probably take 2 coats. You want this to be nice and bright. So we're tracing right down the center of our kind of glow that we created. We're going to do the orange pumpkin, and then we're also going to do the stem next. And again, do a couple coats if you want. You want this to be nice and bright. And give that layer some time to dry, and then we're going to come back with an extra fine tip in a lighter shade of whatever you're doing. Like I'm doing the pumpkin in this tutorial, but I'll show you at the end. I also did a few other designs. So you want to make sure you have a light shade and a dark shade of whatever colors you're using when creating these kind of faux neon looking rocks. So we're just trying to trace right down. If you can get in the middle, do so, but as you can see here, I'm not being overly particular. So right down the middle of your pumpkin and then right down the middle of your stem. And as you'll see here too, I also, with my curl, I have the curl kind of go underneath the top layer. That's optional, obviously. You can really use this tutorial to do anything. I did this cute boo rock and a little trick-or-treat design as well. If you enjoyed this quick and easy rock painting tutorial, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you see all of our new fun rock painting ideas for beginners. Bye-bye.